Hey guys, Tentative here. We're bringing you another video today. So in my last video I described to you what's going to be coming in the future. So I'm going to be bringing you one of those things that's coming. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so as I have told you, as I said in my last video, this is not going to be my norm. This is not the normal area I make my videos in. House sitting for my mom who got married in Las Vegas by Elvis. Crazy woman. But so we're house sitting, and we pretty much have a house to ourselves, so we can do whatever we want. So I'm making a video in the living room today with a movie playing right behind you guys. So here's one of the things that I'm going to be making over the course of this winter time. I'm going to be doing different videos for you guys this upcoming winter, because as I said in my last video, the dirt bike is winterized. We had some bad weather and I winterized it too early, and then the good weather came, so I won't reiterate that again, but that's pretty much what happened. So the bike is winterized. I can't do much about it now, but I do have a different bike that I can upgrade to you for some entertainment. So, I got this in 2015, so I've had this bike a while. This is a 2016 Kink Curb, so it's got a high-10 steel frame, high-10 steel fork, and high-10 steel bars. But I do BMX, and I love riding BMX. It's honestly been a little thing of mine. Me and my friends used to do it all the time when we weren't on the dirt bike, so this is what we would do in the wintertime. We'd go to Landslide Skate Park and BMX. This is going to be something I will be making videos on over the course of the wintertime. My BMX, my 16 Kink Curb. This is a good bike. It's pretty light for high-10 steel, so it was only 27 pounds it was 27 pounds stock. There's better, lighter parts on here, and better, lighter parts come. So I'm excited for that. And I'll probably be replacing this high-10 steel fork and these bars eventually, maybe. I don't know, I just put these grips on, so I don't really want to do that quite yet. I like these bars anyway. I might keep those. But this is going to be one of the things I'm going to be making videos on. And if you guys can see the sticker here, this is the bike shop local to me, Albies. Great place. There's nice people there who also ride. All of them will work in their ride, so they can help you in any way. Well, that is what I'm excited about. So I guess I'll talk a little bit about this now. So on the beginner to intermediate BMX bikes for the brand called Kink, they come with a lot of parts from a company called Mission. I'll put their logo up here. And I'll also put a picture, probably a little bit in the beginning or right now, of what my bike used to look like. Stock. Anyway, a lot of the parts on this bike are from a company called Mission, and I do not like Mission. I mean, I really don't. So pretty much all I'm doing is replacing everything on here that's Mission with either Kink parts or Odyssey parts or Sunday parts, depends. So that's pretty much all I'm doing with this bike. It also makes the bike lighter because most Mission stuff is high-10 steel, like the stem. Okay, so the only thing that isn't steel that are Mission are these cranks, these crank arms. That's it. So everything else can be replaced with something that's chromoly and make it easily lighter. But I'll save what I replaced in the next video as opposed to what was on it. But anyway, this is all I'm. Sorry, baby.
Okay.
This is all. This is mostly what I'm going to be doing over the winter time is making videos on the BMX. So I'll see. So in the next video, I'll describe to you guys what I have replaced, as opposed to what was on it before. I'll tell you. So pretty much, I'll tell you what was on it and then what I replaced it with, based on recommendations from a couple guys at Aldi's, who told me what was best and what I wanted. So it's been tentative here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, guys. But yeah, this is going to be one of the videos I'm going to be making, or one of the things I'm going to be making. I can't speak. I gotta edit that out. That light is fucking bright as shit.
It is.
I can't fucking see anything. Like, Jesus Christ. You get done doing your intro and then you get blinded by the light and shit. I guess that's going in at the end for like some bloopers.